One thing that I think a lot of places aren't taking advantage of, we talked a little bit about Instagram Lives, but Facebook Lives as well. And that's something that's free for you to do. You know, I do Facebook Lives for my business. The first few times, I'm telling you, I was so scared. Like, I was like, oh, I'm gonna mess up, I'm gonna say something, but the fact of the matter is that people know you're live. You know, if you mess up, you stumble on a word, something like that, it's not a big deal, just moving on. But the beauty of doing Facebook Lives, not only does it go to the top of people's page, so they're more likely to, or their homepage, so they're more likely to click on it, is that Facebook will put a live in front of more people. So it will get that out in front of more people organically. And you can make an ad out of a Facebook Live as well. That's something that I do personally in my business, is I do a Facebook Live and then I turn that into an ad. And because it was a Facebook Live, Facebook puts it out in front of more people. Okay, so yes, I'm giving some money to them. We all are. But they're pushing it out in front of more people organically as well. So Facebook Lives are a really great opportunity that Facebook wants to grow. So take advantage of them trying to promote it more and do that a little bit more in your community. It doesn't have to be something fancy, it doesn't have to be something big. Just literally, you could even every Friday go live talking about what's going on in your community that weekend, something like that, just a few minutes long. I don't recommend more than 5 minutes. But talk, give your views, things like that. Facebook Lives, take advantage.